Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm here with Mia.
Hi.
So we decided we're gonna eat some junk food. So we have Twinkie right here, chocolate hole,
and we got chips
and some potato chips. You know, you can't go
because
wrong
this
with
is
potato chips. And sweet.
Because this is my favorite.
Okay, so if you see Mia, she was doing her makeup earlier. It's kind of messy. She tried taking it out, but anyway. So let's try some chips. Some Lay's chips. Good. So Mia doesn't like a chocolate. Are you gonna try chocolate with mommy?
Maybe.
Okay, you can try the chocolate. I'll try this Twinkie. Okay, be careful. Take a bigger bite.
I'm scared.
Okay, I'll take one. Because I love these, you see?
Yeah, you see this?
Mm.
I'm blocking my face. I'm blocking my face.
Well, you just eat it. Oh, wait. Careful. I'm feeling under the weather, but...
Yeah, because my mom's sick.
Yeah, I'm feeling crap. So if I'm looking like hash, I'm sorry.
Yeah, she has to go to her doctor and she just took her vitamins.
She means medicine. And that's why my voice kind of sounds raspy.
Yeah, and my mom forgot to buy my vitamins too. That's why. Let's just buy it. Thumbs up and subscribe.
So...
And watch our channel.
Oh, if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, please, and
Comment below if you like salty and sweet together.
Yeah, and twinkles.
My favorite part is the cream inside. You see?
My favorite part is the crunch.
If you have any ideas of what you want us to try next, comment below.
Yeah, comment below if our videos. Mangnut.
And what do you prefer more? Twinkies
Or chocolate?
Ho-Hos? I'm more of the Ho-Hos fan.
You forgot the chips. Or the chips.
But a chip is just for backup.
We got Miyuki here with us.
Who's Miyuki?
This big girl. Yeah. Hi, baby.
Okay, I think I'm getting full.
Me too. We got.
Okay, one more bite.
I'm gonna go play with Miyuki. My mom's getting full.
Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.